Learn how we recommend using Walker Tape products for a full lace front install. Watch our 5-step playlist to see our products in action. Prep your client's stored lace front hair system. Before your client's appointment, you'll need to get their hair system prepped and ready to go. We recommend using Top-Lock Knot Sealer. It protects your client's hair from going flat or shedding. Remember to wear gloves to keep the hair system free of your skin oils. To use Top-Lock Knot Sealer, spray the underside of the unit and let it dry so it seals completely. 99% alcohol cleans the surface up quickly, so our tape can hold for the longest time possible. Give the area you're applying the unit to a quick wipe of 99% alcohol with a sponge brush and let it evaporate before setting the tape into place. Apply Walker Signature Tape by placing the tape around the perimeter, as close to the edge of the hairline as possible. Walker Signature Tape helps give lace front hairlines a natural look because it has a thin construction and a dull finish. When you're applying our signature tape, avoid touching the adhesive. Now, even before your client arrives, their lace front will be ready to install. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. We love hearing from our awesome customers.